Kate here with WTI. Now, if you have a blank wall like I did and you're looking to fill it with something beautiful, these floating shelves from PHOENANCEE could be just what you're looking for. So these particular ones are 36 inches. They're in this gorgeous rustic wood color. They're very lightweight and they add just that perfect touch to be able to style and make your wall come to life. I love how they're sleek. They have a very minimal design. They have a nice lip on the front so that you can lean things. So I love displaying a record or two on here. It gives you a nice spot so they don't slip off, but it's a great way to add some art with pieces you already have. This would also be gorgeous with picture frames if you want to do a gallery wall. You can decorate this any way and in any room. They were very easy to install. It does come with the screws and the anchors that you need. We personally like to use the tape trick when we hang shelves like this. So basically you just put tape on the back of your shelf, you mark out where your holes will go, you mark your center, and you match that center to wherever you want the center of your shelf to be on your wall. Make sure it's level and you're good to go. The shelves are rated for 25 pounds. I know personally I would not exceed that with my home decor items. So you know that whatever you're putting on here, you're gonna have a nice sturdy shelf to use. So if you want to add beauty and functionality to your space, I think these shelves are an awesome way to do that, and that's my point of view.